Exceptional custom home with 4 bedrooms and bonus room in immaculate condition, conveniently located on cul-de-sac in beautiful Meadowlands Golf and Residential community. Filled with custom features and updates you will love. Extensive wood flooring on main level. Primary suite, laundry, and second bedroom on main level for added flexibility. Vaulted ceiling in the great room. Gourmet kitchen with island, walk-in pantry, and beautiful marble counters opens to the great room. Butler's pantry with wine refrigerator. Luxurious primary bath with granite counters and large walk-in closet. Huge walk-in attic with excellent storage. 16x13 screened porch and large patio outside is perfect for outdoor entertaining on quiet, warm summer nights. Spacious garage with epoxy floors with extra room for golf cart. Sprinkler system for the entire yard. You can join the Meadowlands Golf Club, which is not included in the dues.